Penny stock billionaires. I want to tell you about ESE Entertainment. This is an esports stock, which I believe is going to be our next 10-bagger. It was already a 10-bagger. The stock went from 37 cents to over $4.50 in less than 5 months last year. I think it's going to do it again. Why? Because this company is probably the highest, fastest growth company in the esports space. Their revenues have scaled from probably less than $1 million last year when we introduced it to current run rate is something like $60 million. That's a 6,000% increase in a year, and they're not stopping here. They're just growing. The CEO mentioned a goal to go to 25x that number. Excuse me, 250 million. Run rate 25x. Why do I bring that up? 25x. Esports companies, any type of high growth companies in this space, the market's willing to pay 10 to 20 times revenues, maybe even more. Look, just ask Kathy Wood, ARKK, what she's paying for companies that are growing 6,000%, 60x revenues. I mean, it's amazing. So in theory, if these guys are doing 60 million in sales right now, the stock should be worth between 10 and 20x. I would even say 20x if they can keep these numbers up. So that would be over $1 billion valuation, and that means that this thing would be trading at about $12 based on that multiple. But it's not. That's where your opportunity is right now. Let me just pull into the parking space here. Yeah. Anyway, so that is the investment thesis for the stock to increase 10x. That is purely based on their the growth rate. Now, why is this thing not trading at $12 right now? I'll tell you why. A couple of reasons. One of them is that the market just doesn't know about the stock. I mean, they kind of knew about it a little bit. I mean, when I say new, not everybody knows about it, but companies becoming better known, and you're gonna have more institutional buying coming into the stock. So I do believe we're gonna be seeing that massive multiple coming up, the massive multiple of 20x plus. That's not even that massive, you know. 50x. I mean, look, we're seeing companies trading at 50 times revenue sometimes, right? I mean, it's not unheard of. Anyway, check it out. ESE Entertainment, ENTEF, over the counter, ESE in Canada. And of course, this is paid content. Do your own due diligence. Decide for yourself if ESE Entertainment is going to be that next 10-bagger stock. We've already had 9 of these stocks that have increased between 10x and 50x in the past 18 months. I think this is going to be our first one that is a 10x twice, a repeat 10-bagger, which would be a lot of fun. So again, do your due diligence, decide for yourself if ESE Entertainment, ENTEF, over the counter, ESE on the TSX is going to be that next 10x, possibly even 100-bagger. You never know.